How to add Loox reviews to product page theme debuted on Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add the Loox reviews application or reviews into your product page on any Shopify theme. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you're gonna do is head on over to your Shopify dashboard, click on settings on the bottom left, and then click on apps and sales channels. Once you do that, click on your Shopify App Store, and once you open up your Shopify App Store, just search for Loox over here. So once you search for Loox, you will find multiple different recommendations for product reviewing applications, but the one that you want to add is the top one, which has been developed by Loox. So you want to add this particular applications, and you're going to click on install over here. Now, once you click on install, you are going to install it again in the Shopify store, and after that you are going to proceed to Loox and you're going to actually create your Loox account. So we're just going to pin this to our navigation and we can start our free trial on Loox. So what we're going to do is we are going to click on start 7-day free trial, and I will take the beginner instead. And after you have added Loox reviews over here, you will see that it's going to give you a free trial for the next 14 days. So it will show you have a 7-day free trial ending on a particular date, and then you're just going to click on approve over here, and this will be deducted from the Shopify billing that you're already doing. So whatever payment method you've added on Shopify will be integrated here. And once you do that, you're going to go into Loox reviews. So this is going to be your Loox reviews, and you are just going to click on add Loox reviews to your theme. And once you do this, this is going to open up a new page, which is going to be your Shopify theme editor. And from the top left, you're going to make sure that Loox reviews is turned on, and then click on save on the right. Now, once you've done that, you're simply going to take a look at your Shopify product. So just open up any product that you have, and you can just go into your Shopify store and click on customize on your theme. Open up your Shopify product pages, so go for any product, and once you open up the product page, you can go into the left panel over here and click on add blocks. Now, once you click on add blocks, you can go into the product information and then scroll down, and you have the product review widget. Now, I like to add it at the bottom of our product, so I'm going to add it in the new section. And if you can't find the app section, simply click on add section, click on apps over here, and then click on the rating widget or the product review widget. I want the review widget, and this will be inserted. So once you do that, we're going to move it above like this, and just like that, a review widget has been added. Now, you can further customize this, so the number of views you want to display, the maximum width of this particular review widget that you want it to have. So let's say I want to decrease the width a little. And then after that, you can click on save on the top right, and just like that, your review widget has been added to your product page on your Shopify theme. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.